Students learn best by doing. Providing genuine, hands-on opportunities for students to engage with the world around them is a powerful way for teachers to facilitate deeper learning and allow students to make meaningful connections between themselves and the curriculum. Experiential learning can be broken into three basic components. Participation. Students are immersed in an experience, acknowledging what they are doing, what they are thinking, and what they are feeling during the experience. Reflection. Students think about their experience, guided by reflective questions and prompts, and identify what they learn as a result of the experience, about themselves, other people, the world, their opportunities, or the subject of study. Application. Students describe how their learning stimulates further inquiry, how it is influenced or may influence their decisions, opinions, goals, and plans, and what they might do differently if they have a similar experience in the future. In both elementary and secondary, experiential learning helps students in career and life planning as they develop 21st century competencies such as critical thinking, innovation, creativity, self-directed inquiry, collaboration, communication, and global citizenship. Experiential learning is student-centered, inquiry-based, active learning.